All right, so today I got a box, and I just wanted to get another docking station. So that's what this is. This is a docking station. The reason I got this model is because some people have had issues. So if I have issues, I'll know. Big difference is this docking station is Thunderbolt 4. And people that I think have had issues also have laptops with Thunderbolt 4. So this is the Element Hub from Caldigit. It's a Thunderbolt 4 USB 4. My Mac is one of the original. It's an M1 Mac, so it's Thunderbolt 3. So I haven't had any of these Thunderbolt 4 issues that a lot of people have been complaining about when the laptops first came out, the M2s and stuff. So I don't think they're an issue anymore. There's been fixes, but I wanted a hub, something small that I could travel with. And oh my God, this is tiny. So this is perfect for traveling. Just want to get my hands on the cabling. Holy moly, the brick is insane compared to the size of the actual dock. So you got the power brick here, which is huge. I mean, even compared to the dock, I mean, this thing's huge. This is nice and small. The brick is huge. Now, we have our 3 Thunderbolt ports here. These are Thunderbolt 4. This is the one that you're going to put to your laptop or to, if you have another docking station, to your docking station. We got 4 USB 4 on the other end. So, to me, when people are like, well, I only have 2 ports on my laptop, how am I supposed to do anything? Adapters. But if you're like us and you're doing all this crazy stuff with multiple cameras and all this other stuff, you want a docking station. So this right here, if it works real nice, got 3 connections here, and you could do a lot with these. And then you got these 4 over here. We got ourselves a Thunderbolt cable. Now this is the one you're going to want to utilize here to connect to your laptop. And then we got the power. So this is going to come in handy. It's light and everything. The brick is insane compared to this. So we'll see how it works out for me. I am going to use this. I technically, I don't need to connect the Mevos, but I'll probably use one of these ports to connect my Osbot Meet 4K. And if I want, I can use the other 2 for the Mevos just to keep them charged and stuff. Probably just plug in a mic on the other side. Right now, no idea what I'm going to use these other ports for, if I even need them, but they're going to be there. So, and I might take my portable monitor, so I could even use one of these probably on the portable monitor. We'll see how I actually utilize them. So, all right, that's it for this video.